Hi guys, today we'll be watching my video. Yes baby, you finally called! Yeah! Yay! Hello?
What do you mean?
Yari!
You saw a video on Facebook?
I saw your Facebook. Ayaw ko lasa ng gulay green. Ayos na yun.
Oh.
Ulit
Ayaw ko yung kulay green. Ate, pabili po ng kulay. Ate, pabili po ng red ng sito. Wala na red. Green na. Hindi pwede yan. Gusto ko red na sito
Does
sa
you wanna
akin.
film my video again? The stalker, I love that. Big booty!
Yes. Oh my God.
Big booty.
Violet, I saw your video on YouTube.
What is it? What is it?
I have Hello Kitty.
Let's play Brookhaven.
Oh, mati ko.
Let's play Brookhaven. We're almost there.
Again,
Wait, what? I can.
Violet, I played a creepy game named Hello Kitty. And her thing so creepy. I don't want to play that game anymore in 3 a.m.
Okay, let's play Brookhaven.
What this game says runs. Nightmare run.
Let's play Brookhaven.
Okay.
Ay, ako na lang. Ayaw?
Inyo.
Okay, now we're playing Brookhaven, baby. I got adopted. Wait. Do you remember this blessing? We only touch one color. Ay, ako yun.
My friend, just change my avatar, bro.
Are you done?
Yeah, I'm online. I'm gonna change my name. I cannot change my name. It's been 7 days and change my name. Peter Pan is not online.
Why, Peter Patty?
if
I'm a
they're
macros.
spelling